Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Mamabearkitchenette. Thank you so much for showing so much love and support to me. It means a lot. Thank you so much. To all my beautiful moms out there, your time is precious and I know it. But trust me, this recipe is going to be your key to the brownie heaven. So, all the fudge brownie lovers, let's jump right into it. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Do let me know how your brownie recipe turned out. If you have any questions regarding any recipe, you can DM me on Instagram at Mamabearkitchenette. Take care of yourselves and the people around you.